My family. Hello, I am Nancy. Look at this beautiful picture of my family. My mother and father are my parents. My brother Amit and I are their children. I am their daughter and my brother is their son. We all live together. We are a family. There are 4 members in our family. Our family is a small family. Lola lives with her grandparents.
Read again.
Lola lives with her parents and her grandfather and grandmother.
Below.
Her aunt, uncle, and their child also live with them. This child is Lola's cousin. There are many members in her family. A family that has many members is a big family. Thank you.